Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix QuickBook crashing problem. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've noticed that your QuickBooks application keeps crashing whenever you try to log into your account or use your application, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to close off your QuickBook app if it is running in the background, and the next thing to do is to make sure that you've updated the application. If you're running on an outdated version of QuickBook app, then you might walk across this issue of crashing the app now and then. So in order to do that, make sure to go to your app store and search for QuickBooks into the search bar. Once you perform your search, make sure to update the application by tapping on the update button if it is available. If it is not, it means your application is already updated. Once you update your application, launch your app open to see if that fixed your problem. Once you update to the latest version of QuickBooks app, the app comes up with a bug fix and performance boost, which might help you solve the app crashing problem. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to try clearing the app cache from the application. Tap open your QuickBook app and see if you can clear out your app cache. But if it's not letting you clear out your cache from the application, simply go to Settings from your mobile device. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. From the Generals tab, tap on iPhone Storage. Search for QuickBooks from the list of the application, and once you find it, tap it on. Now, tap on Offload app and confirm offloading your application by tapping on Offload app one more time in the pop-up. Offloading your application will clear out your app cache from your mobile device. After you do that, tap on Reinstall app and reinstall the application back again on your mobile device. If it still does not work, then you can also try deleting the app by picking on the second option and remove the application entirely from your device. Reinstall it back again and you might be able to solve your app crashing problem for QuickBooks. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're not being able to use your QuickBooks app since it keeps crashing. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.